how to send long videos on Facebook Messenger. So for that, you can either use your Google Drive or Dropbox. For now, I'm going to use Google Drive because it works for all of the iOS phone and also the Android phone. So simply open the application and make sure that you are logged into your account, and then simply tap on this plus icon right here. After doing that, tap on Upload File. Then tap on Photos and Videos, and your gallery will be opened, from which you can simply select the video that you want to share. For example, I want this particular video. I'm going to tap on it, then tap on Upload. After doing that, tap on Upload one more time. And in here, within a few seconds, my video will successfully be uploaded. Just like this, here you can see it has successfully been uploaded. I'm going to refresh it. Here you can see this was the video. Now in order to share it, what I'm going to do is tap on this three dot bar first of all. And in here, you have to tap on Manage Access. And then here, tap on Restricted. And then again, tap on Restricted. And then tap on Anyone with the link. So after you have updated the permission, go back and tap on this link icon that you can see right here and copy the link. Just like this. Now go back and open your Messenger. Then in here, open the chat that you want to share the video to, just like this. And then all you have to do is long press on your chat and paste down the link and then send this link to them just like this. So if you are doing with your Dropbox, you have to do the exact same thing. Simply upload your file and then share the link to them. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.